Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going learning about an important data structure called as binary search tree, also known as BST. BST is the very important for exams, interviews and real world software system. In this video, I will explain what is the binary search tree, BST rule, BST operation, insert operation, delete operation, Java implementation. So let's get started. We're going talking about what is a binary search tree. A binary search tree is a specific type of binary tree. In a binary tree, each node can have maximum 2 children, left child and right child. But in a binary search tree, we follow specific rules. BST rules. First one is left subtree contain value less than the root. The second one is right subtree contain value greater than the root, and no duplicate value, that is also in most BSTs don't have the no duplicates values. So now I'm going to show you the binary tree, search tree. So you can see the 50 is the root element, you can see there. So we going to talking about binary rules in previous. So the first rule is the left subtree contain value less than the root. So now you can see the root element left side is there is 30 value. The first rule is the correct because 50 30 is less than 50. So second rule is right subtree contain value greater than the root. So you can see the 70 is the right side, the 70 is 50 is less than 70, that is 70 is greater than 50. The second rule is also correct. Why use BST? Because BST allows fast searching, fast insertion, fast deletion. BST is used in database, file system, search engine and compilers. Let's going to move on to code implementation. So first one is BST node structure. So using the Java programming language, so you can see the structure code in there. So talking about the BST insert operation. So in here you can see create a class. After you can see the empty root here, the root, if root is equal null, that is root is null, you need to create a new node. So after the value is less than the root value, the so that is insert to let's say in the root value. After the else if part, you can see the value is greater than the root value. You can see the value is insert in the right side. So now we're going to explain how to delete BST node in this structure. So we need to find the 3 cases in the deletion part. So first one is the least node, how to delete. So now I'm going to choose the 20 element of this structure. So now I'm I'm going to explain how to delete this 20 node in this structure. So we need to find this structure root element. Root element is 50. So now need to find the 20 is left side or right side. So 50, we talking about the previously the rules of the structure, VST structure. The we in here the 20 is less than 50. This is the left side. Previously I will explain. I was explain. The first rule is best element are always in the left side. Greater than element are always in right side. So 20 is less than 50. It is in the left side. So we need to travel in here. After we can find the 30 node. That 30 need to find to 20 is element node is less than 20. 30 is less than 20 is less than 30. So that is definitely in left side. So we can find the 20 element in here. So after we need to find the 20 element have the child element. The child element don't have in 20 element, so we can easily remove the 20 element like this. So that is the leaf element how the remove in the BST structure. So we need to find another element we can remove. I choose 80. So we can find we can apply the rules. So the 50 80 is 50 is greater than 80. So we need to travel to right side. After you can find the 70. 80 is greater than 70 is greater than 80 is greater than 70. So after we can travel the right side, we can find the 80 not here. So we can remove the 80 not like this. So you can get some idea about the how can leaf node remove the BS3 data structure. So now I am going to explain the case 2. The case 2 is the delete node have a one child. So now I will show you how to that is do. So I am going to choose the 30 element, 30 node to delete. So we need to find the 30 element is less than the root element of 50. So that is the left side of the structure. We can find the 30 element in here. So after we need to delete this node. So because the 30 element have one child in there, so this element 30 element can delete. So the 30 element is delete after the child element is in the child element of the 30 element. The child element of 30 is 40. The 40 is replaced in here. So that is the one. So that is the how to delete the one child of the node remove. That is the easily remove the node have a one child. So let's get the another example like it. here 55. So we need to find the 50. I choose the 50 element at this the 60 node. So I need to remove the 60 element. So we need to find the like that. The element is the element 55 element we need to find. 59 is greater than it. So the right side of the structure travel to 70 is after 55 is less than 70. So we need to travel the left side after 55 is less than 60 is the left side. So we need to remove this element. They have it have one child, so we need to remove the 60 in here. Replace the 60 child in here. So that is the node have the one child node. How to delete. So now I am going to explain the third part of the BST deletion. So the third one is the node have the two child. So I'm going to choose the 30 node to delete. So you can see that 30 has a two child, 20 and 40. So let's go to yes, I'm going to show you how to delete the 30 node. So we can go to the root element. The 30 is the less than 50, so that is the left side. So you can find the 30 element in here. So we need to delete this 30 element. We need to find the 30 element. We need to find the highest element. We need to find the next highest value of the 30. So you can see in here the 30 next highest value is the 40, not 20. The 30 is greater than 40. The less than 40, the 40 is the highest element of the 30. So we need to delete the 30 element in here. So we need to find the successor of this 30 element, that is 40. So we can remove the now 30 element like this. So they have no any rule break. So you can see 40 left side, 20 rules are not break. So now you think the root element how to delete. The root element have two child. So I'm going to delete the root child. You can see 13 and 70 is child. After they have the grandchild. So how actually did the root child? So we need to find the root element next highest value of the root element. So successor, that is a successor. The successor of this the 50 element 50 value is 60. You can see in here 50 after 60 in here. So we can remove this 50 and 60 in here. Replace the root element now is 60. So you can see no need to break. So 50 is now root element. So you can see 50 root element is delete. Now root element is 60. No any rule breaks. So you can see the BST step is correct. Talking about the delete part of BST. So in here you can see if condition the root is equal now, in here the best case the value is not found, you can return the null value. So next one is search for the node to delete. So we need to search the node because the left side or right side, the first if condition is here, the left side of the search node, else you need to search the right side of the tree. We need to search the element to delete. So next one is we need to delete to node handle the three cases. The first one and second one is here the leaf node one child. So this is return the right child, else if part the return the left child. So last case is the two children. We need to find the in order successors, that is smallest in right subtree. That is this is a code implementation. We need to minimum value we need to find to delete. The next one is the delete the in order success root dot right, the delete the value of the you need to delete. So in the two child tree. So this is the need to help the method for find the minimum value to delete. So that is the delete code implementation to BST tree. Talking about the BST traversal. So we need to this part because let's add the in order traverse to verify our BST is allows to shorten. This is part used to verify our BST allow to shorten. So now I think you can get some idea about the binary search tree. So thank you for watching this video. See you next video.